Everyone, hope you are doing great. So I am back with another trick on Excel. Let's do it. So guys, you have to see these names written in full name. So if you guys want to change that name into the capital alphabets, like all characters in capital, how to do it within a second? It's a very easy function. Write down is equals to then up, and then you guys see upper, and then press tab on your keyboard, then select this and then bracket close and press enter. You guys see SARA in capital, and then drag down. So you guys see all the letters have been successfully updated in capital. Like that, if you want to apply these letters in a small alphabets, how to do it? Again, easy is write down is equals to, then apply LOW, which is lower, and then press tab, then select this, bracket close, and you guys see SARA in small letters. Now drop down. So thank you very much.